Hey guys, this is Mike from BTR Budget Tech Reviews here, and today I bought a Nintendo Switch for Black Friday. Mike again from BTR Budget Tech Reviews here, and today we're going to take a look at the Nintendo Switch. Now, this isn't anything that is brand new or something that came out recently. This is just a Black Friday deal that I got today on Black Friday. It was more an impulse buy, and the reason why is because I've been really wanting to play this game, which is Let's Go Pikachu, or Pokemon Let's Go Pikachu. Very nostalgic. I don't have any Nintendo systems currently. I don't have the Nintendo DS or anything like that, and I don't own any of the old Wii systems anymore. So I have the Xbox, I have the PS4, and I've been kind of debating whether to get the Nintendo Switch or not. And now that a lot of games are coming out with it, like Super Smash Bros. 5, etc., like that. You know, Mario Kart obviously is a great game. I decided to buy this when I was Black Friday shopping with a friend today, and we were at GameStop, and luckily, unfortunately actually, luckily they had Switches. Unfortunately, they did not have any good bundles going on with their Nintendos. They didn't have the Mario Kart 8 bundle. They had a Diablo bundle. I didn't want that one though, since I'm not a fan of Diablo. But anyway, luckily this Nintendo Switch did come with a $50 gift card from GameStop though, so that basically paid for this game right here. So that was not too bad of a deal for me, at least. So the Nintendo Switch obviously is a pretty highly regarded system for the Nintendo fanboys, at least. Again, I wasn't too satisfied with the last couple of Nintendo consoles, the Wii U and the Wii. So this has a lot to live up to when it comes to that, because my expectations were not higher of those to begin with. So let's get the unboxing going on this, guys. And after I actually upload this video, I do plan to do a live stream of me setting this up and maybe playing a little bit of the actual Pokemon Let's Go Pikachu. So again, this is an actual video that I'm, putting together and editing, and then afterwards I'm going to actually do another video on this, or a live stream at least. So again, guys, let's check out the Nintendo Switch unboxing here. Alright guys, so I wanted to try a different angle here, since I don't do a lot of these weird angle unboxings, but again, if you see the camera shaking, it's because I accidentally smacked it here. But again, this is the Nintendo Switch, and I decided to get the colorful one, or the one, the multicolored one, just because I thought it stands out a little bit. I'm not a fan of the dark gray. I thought Nintendo could have did a little better with the colors as far as the actual systems go. I'm not a fan of the Let's Go Pikachu version. Also, there's the Let's Go Pikachu version of the Nintendo Switch, and I really thought that, yes, I'm a fan of the colors, but at the same time, I thought they should have just stuck with solid colors rather than doing one brown and one yellow, or vice versa for that. So let me get this open for you guys, and I'm opening it the wrong way. So here's the other side, guys. Again, this does not come with any games, so there is the actual system itself, which it's a very small looking screen. I mean, again, one of my nephews has these, and I haven't really played with it too much, but this comes right out of the box, etc., like that, with the little Joy-Cons, or whatever you want to call them. And let me feel these out really quick. So if you don't have a Nintendo Switch, right out of the box, I can tell you that I feel like these are going to break, like just touching them really quick. They don't feel very sturdy or sensitive, or very well built, but at the same time, Nintendo products over the years have done pretty good. They've lasted. So for the most part, I know that this will last me as long as I take care of it, but at the same time, just feeling it right now kind of feels flimsy in the hand, and I'm just gonna take them out of the plastic just so that we can take a look at them. They don't look bad, I mean, and they don't feel bad, but they do feel a little light. But again, once I attach them to the actual system here, which is right here, maybe we'll figure that out. Okay, but okay, let's see what else is inside, because this box is rather big for it not to have that much stuff inside. So let's take a look here. I guess just your Nintendo Switch guide or whatever, let you know what's going down. Let's see what else I got over here on the right. This seems to be probably the biggest piece, and this is probably the actual dock of the actual Nintendo Switch. So we're gonna figure this out. Hold on, let's pull this out. And I like to put everything kind of back in its place, that way if I ever decide to trade it in or resell, you know exactly where it's gonna go. So, you know, if I don't decide to keep this, you know, definitely can look at other things here. So again, I don't know exactly how this works. It's the AC adapter. You can pull this specific part out. This is the front of it, obviously, Nintendo Switch. It has like a little power LED here. It's got 2 USB ports on the side. And again, I don't know what this little back portion is. I guess it's just for like the HDMI or whatever. You can connect all the wires. There we go. All the wires that you connect to the TV right here going through there. Power, HDMI, etc. like that. So this is the actual dock. This is, I don't know how much this is actually worth, but if you lose this or break this, I think it's only like 70 or 80 bucks to replace. So it's not too bad. Again, the actual system is right here. It's just this little screen. And again, that's something I'm going to connect and see what's going on there. Let's see what we got in here. Okay, we got also the little Joy-Con things over here, which I want to assume you just slide these in. And again, I'm not too familiar with these, so there we go. There's one, and let me do the other. And again, this is more of just an unboxing and overview of the Nintendo Switch. You can see all the cat hairs already. So again, I'm not too big of a fan of the actual like way this is set up, I guess. I mean, I think it's pretty cool that it does come with like a little control attachment, but I do know that you can buy other controls for this system that kind of look like Xbox controls. D-pad right here, and then you got your X's and A's. I mean, it's not something that you won't be too familiar with. Home button right here. You know, again, the back, and again, hopefully these little joysticks charge well, okay? So, you know, that's one thing that I'm kind of worried about, that the battery life won't last too long on these. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this back here. Okay, right over here. Looks like just a little, I don't know what this is actually. I think it goes on top of here maybe, or something like that, or I don't know if it's to protect this specific area, but again, I'm going to just kind of pull that out for now. Same thing, it looks like they're just like little protective plates again, but I will have to figure that out. It looks like I can probably put it on the side of this, you know, if you decide not to use this or whatever, or you decide to just use the little Joy-Con separately, you can probably just connect these to the side. So I'll try to figure that out a little later, I guess, once I do the live unboxing. My dog is freaking out that I'm doing this unboxing video over here. She's walking around and she is scared. So okay. So again, HDMI cable, pretty basic. You know, that's something that is going to come with this. And again, power cord, which is not that big to begin with. So we'll figure that out, guys. So again, yes, let me, I guess, pull the main portion of the console system out really quick. Okay, I'm gonna throw this piece of plastic back in. Let's just put this box aside for now while we, you know, figure this out. And I want to see if this thing actually has juice. So we'll see if that actually happens or not. So far, no damage, nothing like that. Again, I don't know how to turn this thing on to begin with. Have it upside down. You see the docks right here, obviously. This does have a stand though, so let's see if I can figure this out. If not, well then this might be a little embarrassing for me, but that's okay. Let's see. There we go. See, your Switch has a little stand, so if I wanted to, I can just kind of stand it up like that, and that's it. Okay. So again, you know, this is a weird shot for you guys, I know, but again, let's see if this turns on. I'm just going to turn it on, power it on, see if it's got juice or not. It has juice. Okay. I'm going to lay it down. And I can't zoom in, guys, because I don't have a zoom in lens, but it's saying connect the Joy-Cons, and that's the thing, I don't even know how to disconnect the Joy-Cons from here. So this is going to be somewhat of a challenge. Again, okay, I guess you just have to press these buttons and they come right off. So let me do that really quick. These have buttons in the back that you can kind of just squeeze off, or at least I hope that's what they're for. So let's do that really quick, and I'm probably gonna end up dropping this, and I can see why people buy like protective cases for these now. Definitely might need to buy like a little support cover, and I don't know what I just did, but that's okay. Let's slide them in really quick. Alright, let's turn this baby back on. There we go, that was just the volume. Alright. Alright. So it's the handheld system that Sega made many years back, but a lot better, obviously. This reminds me of the Sega Game Gear. And let's go ahead and just press A for English. The Americas, I accept, go ahead. So again, this is probably just going to be me skipping through a lot of stuff. So let me go ahead and just set up my Wi-Fi and everything really quick, guys. Right, so right now I'm just still setting this up, and it says detaching the Joy-Cons, and then the rear stand can be used to prop up the actual console. So right now I just have this going on, and I can use this to press like left, right, and navigate through the menus. And here obviously you just press A. So it kind of reminds you of like little mini Wiimotes or whatever. To set your icon and nickname, next, transfer user, and save data. So I don't remember if I even have a Nintendo account, and I don't plan to use my old one probably, so I'm going to go ahead and probably set up a new one. So it's going to say, oh, select an icon, or, you know, I can just set up a me. Obviously I will probably just set up an icon, and I will probably just use Star Fox, just because Star Fox is one of my favorite characters. You got Super Smash Bros. Coming up, so let's see, I'm gonna use my, I'm gonna use A. Okay, hold on, no, I don't want to do caps on that. Let's see. My tag is going to be ReRave86, guys. So, and if you guys don't know what ReRave is, it is actually a rhythm game that I play from Kyle Ward. Okay, hold on. No, this doesn't look right. I think I do need to make that R capital, actually. Let's see. ReRave86. And then let me just do capital V, there we go. Alright, that'll be my nickname, or at least we'll see. I mean, I can probably just... Alright, so username ReRave86. So if you guys want to add me later on, we can create an account. So, but I will do that later, okay? Just cause I don't want to do that right now. So let's see, add another user, skip. So right now, that's pretty cool. You can select different users. It's just like having different accounts, you know. Configure parental controls. I'm not going to do that. Setup is complete, and it says press the home button. So done. So I've never actually seen the Nintendo Switch UI insert a game, so I don't even know where the games go, okay? I'm assuming the games go up top here where it says game card. Let me see, I'm gonna pick this up just cause, and I'm gonna actually lift this. So if you guys don't have a Nintendo Switch and you're looking to get one, obviously, you know, the Nintendo Switch does not take game discs anymore. They take game cards. And I haven't even opened up Pokemon Let's Go Pikachu, guys. So again, one thing I don't like about this the little back stand is, guys, it feels really flimsy. I feel like this thing's gonna break on me. So if you guys, I mean, obviously, if you plan to play this in the wild or whatever, like at a coffee shop or at school or something like that, just be very careful with this, guys, because this seems like it's gonna break really easily. So let's go all the way around really quick just so you guys can see. Right here obviously is where you would charge it, or the charging stand. Obviously, let's see, on the side you just have your little areas for the actual controls. Same thing on this side, so nothing too fancy. On the very top, obviously, you have your volume. So right here on top, I can actually lower or higher the volume. So not too bad. Power buttons on top, and you have I'm not sure if this is a headphone jack. Yeah, I think this is a headphone jack, so there's little headphones next to it, so obviously headphone jack, guys. But again, guys, I'm going to end this video here. Again, this was just my Black Friday buy of this year, you guys, and, you know, just because, and, you know, the holidays are coming up, I'm going to go ahead and post up a Amazon bundle down here in the description below, just in case you guys decide you want to get yourself a Nintendo Switch here. So again, guys, and I'm going to connect this back just cause, but, you know, super simple once you guys, you know, actually get it. And it's an innovative system. I do plan to do more videos with this specific system, just because, you know, I feel like it's a system that a lot of people are not comfortable using. So again, guys, this is Mike from BTR Budget Tech Review signing off. Let me see if I can turn off the screen there. There we go. again, so this is Mike from BTR Budget Tech Reviews here signing off. This is the Nintendo Switch, and again, this was my Black Friday, buy here for this year, 2018. Let me see what this looks like in here. So this is what it looks like when it's docked, and I will probably put another video, me connecting this to a TV, etc. like that. Maybe on my actual live feed, I'm gonna do that, guys. So again, if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you guys like my videos in general, please give me a subscribe. Hit that subscribe button, smash it if that's what you guys like. And I know I'm totally copying Peter McKinnon there, but again, guys, this is Mike from Budget Tech Reviews signing off. We'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.